Hazawari.
What a lovely stop that was for the team, especially when he turned himself and went off and Norberto holds him back.
A wish in his mind. Ajare strike. Spilled for a moment, but well positioned was Birkang Daimari.
What a great shot that was. Through the defense, through the wall. The goalkeeper once again alert. Even the second man, there were 2 or 3 red.
Ajari. Lovely dummy. Cleverly left. Ajari for Jitin. Rinzwala more eager, but Jitin should have got to the end of that. And now a chance, perhaps the best one for Ajari. He grants wishes by himself. 2 Durand Cups, then the Indian Super League Golden Boot, and now he returns wishing for a 3rd title with Northeast United. The return announced 1-0.
Yes, Bodo was stretched. This man has absolutely brilliant. He had an option on the right, but takes his time, takes his composure, keeps the balance.
And Zwala wins it back. Ashraf might be a bit too much, but Jitin has the pace. Rinzwala waits. The hype for a reason. Strikers know where to be, when to make the run, and how to put it in the net. 2-0 for Northeast. The front 3 contributing to the goals. Jitin with the assist this time, and a much needed second for Northeast United.
Brilliant piece of work over there. The ball comes darting between the 2 defenders, and look at that. 2 of them, Ajare, and there was Lalvin Zula.
Oh, nice touch. Ajare is on. Ajare is through. Power up. Gear 2. Strength and speed enhanced. He's still the same Aladin Ajare that Northeast United fans used to love. And he's just showing reasons why they love him so much. 3-0, now it looks like the scoreline they expected. He's bounced back. Space is opening up again. Ridim Talang. Ajare in support. Ridim wants to do it himself. Ring a bell. Ridim Talang. The winger is back. Produced in Shillong. Delivering for Northeast. And the Northeast United fans have a rain of goals to get drenched and continue their dance.
To defend, but look at Ridim. His composure is so superb. Keeps his balance well. He knows exactly where to kick, and he just slots that ball on with the style.
Norberto gives it away. Ajare has made the run. Ajare again on goal. A difficult task in front of him, but Aladin Ajare makes it look easy. Hat-trick on his comeback, as if a cakewalk for him, and a favourite walk in the Durand Cup. 5-0, and just the sheer difference with him on your side.
It was like a trap for Bodo, really defending deep there, Northeast United, and then on the counter, just put that ball to Ajare, and look at him.
And if you're wondering what he has done in those 42 games, we'll wait for the discussion because he might add another to the tally. Partip to Moyano. Unselfish. Team football at its very best from the northeastern side of the country. 8 states, 1 united, they say, and that is what united football looks like. They play as a team and they make opponents suffer.
Moyano, we're talking about him, his combination, but this is the combination that comes. Look at that. Unselfish, like you said.
Thanks for pointing that out, because this defeat is slightly different than what CISF and the defenders performed. Ajare looking for another. But those efforts wouldn't matter. At full time, what matters is the scoreline. And it's a statement won from the defending champions. 2 trophies in their bag. It's Northeast United.